Hi friends, again I'm here with another session of Inventor Mechanics channel. It's the last session in 2D Sketch. Next session, we will teach you 3D environment orders and education will be more attractive. In this session, we talk about very important orders named constraint. At first, let's draw a shape like this. Okay, it's an ugly shape here. We orient it by dimension before. We click on it and give dimension. For example, like this. We give dimension. The first order is coincident. For example, we draw a circle. Now we want to put this center on this vertex. Click on it. Choose center of circle and vertex. Okay. Next one is collinear. By using this constraint, we can collinear two lines. Click on constraint and choose lines. Okay. We can see the other one is concentric. For example, we draw a two-varied circle. Here, one small and one big, and we can concentric these two varied circle. They become together. It's so useful. Next constraints are so important and are for lines. One of them is parallel and the next one is perpendicular constraint. The first one, parallel two lines. We can click on it, choose two lines and become parallel. Okay, and the second one is perpendicular. Perpendicular make the degree between two lines 90. We can see perpendicular. Okay, other constraints are vertical and horizontal constraint. By using these orders, we can make lines vertical and horizontal, and also we can collinear points in vertical and horizontal modes. Let's see. For example, we have this line by degree. We want horizontality like this, or Ctrl Z, or make it vertical. Okay. Also, we say for points, we can say this point collinear this point. Okay, they are in one line. And also we can say this point with this point in vertical mode. Okay, very nice. Next is tangent. For seeing this constraint, let's draw one line, an arc, and again another line. When we see this shape, it's so ugly. For making in better mode and better form, we use this constraint. We say tangent this arc with this line and this arc with this line. Now it's so beautiful. The last important one is equal. By this constraint, we can equal lines, circles, and arcs. We can see. For example, we want equal this arc with this arc. Okay, this circle with this circle, and this line with this line. Okay, and it was the last one in constraint. We are at the end of another session from Inventor Mechanics channel. If you didn't subscribe us till here, please subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications for the next video. Comment our videos, share our channel to your friends. Have a nice day. Help us. Stay with us.